Time. Natural gas seeing a big move this week, up more than 7% on the back of labor disputes at two major liquefied natural gas facilities in Australia. Also driving prices higher, the Energy Information Administration projecting record highs for production and demand this year. Joining us now is Bill Perkins, CEO of Skylar Capital Management. Bill, it's great to have you back on the show and to check in with you.
Yeah, it's great to be back.
What we just laid out, are those the reasons we saw these big moves in nat gas, which, by the way, were even bigger in Europe this week?
Yeah, I think Europe was all about the strike. That kind of spooked the market. You know, the market was positioned for them running out of space to inject gas. And then the rumors of a strike in Australia had everybody pump the brakes, and they had a huge rally. I think natural gas, you know, had a little bit of a sympathy rally, but let's face it, it's hot. I'm here in Austin trying to move my daughter into college, and one day heat doesn't make a difference, but sustained heat drives a lot of demand for gas power plants. And we've been withdrawing in the South Central, some taking gas out of storage, and so that we've changed prices based on that demand.
So then, is it safe to say that the bottom is in? Because I remember you came on earlier in the year, and you were still very, very bearish on nat gas and where prices were headed. Are we headed higher now?
I'm not yet ready to say we're going higher. I'm mildly bearish. I mean, the heat won't last forever. S&D does look loose. That supply and demand balances look loose on a weather-adjusted basis. And pretty soon we're going to September in the fall, and we think we're going to have healthy storage inventories. It's not something to write home about. I wouldn't get too excited about being bearish, but I'm mildly bearish. I think the rally is overdone.
Okay. I mean, we've seen oil, and I realize the oil market is very different than the natural gas market. In many ways, they tend to trade for different reasons. But we've seen oil prices move back towards highs of the year. I guess walk me through more broadly some of the energy dynamics and how real the possibility of a reacceleration in inflation when it does come to energy prices is concerned.
Well, to the extent that oil prices drive inflation, and they do, I'm pretty bullish oil. We have record low inventories, recession or not, nominal crude oil demand goes up, and we haven't had this great investment in infrastructure for production. And so supplies are tight. The SPR is at record lows. I mean, you've heard it from more people than me that it looks pretty bullish. That being said, when you drill an oil well, you get some associated gas. And as people pick up drilling in the Permian, that gas is going to eventually, via pipeline, find its way into the Gulf Coast and actually be bearish natural gas. You know, natural gas for many producers is a byproduct. It's worth zero. They just want to get rid of it.
Yeah. So I'm curious whether you're going to disclose this or not, but how your performance has been at the fund this year. Because last year you had an incredible year. You had a triple-digit return type of year last year. And it would seem like, based on our conversations since the start of the year, that your calls have been bearing out.
Yeah, they've been okay. I would say that we're north of 120%. I mean, that is kind of an estimate. I don't want to get in trouble. There's so many damn rules and regulations that you can get in trouble for saying things, but we're having a pretty good year.
Okay. One final question for you, and that is, you have Skyfi. It's a startup. You're aggregating and creating accessibility to satellite data in a bigger, broader way. You're basically democratizing satellite data. Curious how that's going, especially when I know that satellite data has been so important to you from an investment thesis standpoint.
Yeah, I think it's going very well. We've got a product out there. It's working. We're seeing enterprise customers see the value of it at skyfi.com so that people can get access to the data. One of the things that we're moving towards is, instead of just giving the data, because a lot of people don't know what to do with the data, they're not necessarily GIS shops, they're natural gas trading shops or oil shops or miners, is give them the insights, give them the answers, the applications on top of it. And so that's coming out soon, and we're very, very bullish and happy to provide that to people.